Welcome back to the channel, Sonny Squad, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. How y'all doing? I'm Sonny and this is Sonny Kicks. Alright, now check it. If you're looking for dope sneaker reviews, one of the best on feet shots, how to finesse the kicks, whether it be how to style, or the best ways to lace them up, or of course any other sneaker related content, and you, my friend, are in the right place. Subscribe and join the squad.
Batter up, lyrics and home runs. I don't do this for fun, nigga. I'm Aaron Judge with it, tough with it. Burning through paper as if a slug hit it. See you paid, now it's time to pay attention.
Without any hesitation, you already know what you're here for. Today we're gonna be doing another Go App unboxing, and this time I got some unreleased heat for y'all. So without further ado, man, let's just get into it. North America did not release this shoe yet, and at the moment there still isn't an actual release date, but they did officially release I'm not sure if it released everywhere overseas, but I know for a fact that they did drop over in Europe. So yeah, I was so mad when they pushed the release date back over here. Take out this paper, and on the inside y'all see what we got. These things be secured inside the box, and yep, I'm not even gonna read the tag, because if I read the tag, it's gonna be easy to guess what I had got. But let's just flip this open, and of course, like always, you got your GOAT tag. It's all black this time. They check everything off to make sure it's valid and legit. Now the time has come, so let's just get right to it. Whew, I'm looking at it through the camera. These, yes, I see what we got here. The Nike Dunk High Vast Gray. These joints are clean. These are so fire. These joints is mad smooth too. And you can't go, man. Amazing, just amazing. Nothing short of amazing. Man, let's just get the other shoe out. Oh yeah, and of course, got your GOAT sticker. Can't forget that. We got the Vast Gray Nike Dunk Highs. These joints are beautiful. And now in some of the reviews I've seen on these, some people were saying that the leather quality on these is terrible. But me personally, I don't know. They regular to me. I'm not expecting too much, but like, I guess when you do compare it to the Nike Dunk Highs from last year, like they don't feel as good as those. But regardless, the leather on these really isn't that bad. But if you're like a stickler for material and leather quality, then this one might not technically be for you. But hey, if you like Nike Dunk Highs and you love really dope colorways, this is definitely for you. This shoe is tough. And now these was honestly supposed to release January 14th, but they got pushed back for unexpected reasons. I honestly don't know why, but they didn't even come out with an actual release date for when these are supposed to drop. So I wasn't trying to take any chances. I didn't know what was going down, but because they did release over in Europe and they released in a lot of different stores, I felt safe with going on Go App and just grabbing these, because I'm not taking no chances. I went ahead, pulled the trigger, because I don't want them to drop at some unexpected time. But yeah, these were absolutely needed. As I told you before, I've been really into the Dunk Highs lately. So fire, so fire. And now if you ever buy a shoe early from like Go App or SneakerCon app, StockX, eBay, anything like that, you're worried about, like, you know, if the shoe is actually legit. And of course you got your different legit check apps and all that stuff. And another one that you probably don't even know about is Own Kicks. And of course they also authenticate sneakers. They know exactly what they're doing. They can let you know if your pairs are authentic or not. That way you don't gotta worry. All you gotta do is hit up their Instagram and send them pictures, or just click the link in their bio. And you know, of course, you send the pictures through there. The worst thing ever is to spend your hard-earned money on a nice pair of shoes just for it to turn out to not even be real. Now, of course, I'm not gonna go too much into detail right now. This is just the unboxing. But yeah, of course, you already know how we do over here. The review and top tier on feet is definitely on the way. Make sure you stay tuned for that. That'll be the next video after this. Ah man, I've already got a bunch of fits in my head planned out for these. I couldn't wait to get these. Thank everybody for tuning into the video. If you enjoyed, please smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, or if you haven't yet. What are you waiting for? The grind is not stopping. We on that road to 5K. Comment down below what you think of these dunks, and yeah, hope you guys all have a great day. Stay safe and see you next time.